my butterfly bracelet, I'm going to use a pink balloon, float up to approximately 5 inches and tie knots in that. We're going to start off by making the antennas on top of the butterfly. The dimensions of this are just smaller than the big version. In fact, I'm going to make a 3/4 inch round bubble for at the top of the antenna, 2 small bubbles which are going to be the very tips. Bring that balloon together and find a mutual point where I can tie everything together like so. And that creates the antennas. I take the mouth of the balloon and feed the mouth through the 2 bubbles like so. I'm now going to do a small round 3/4 inch head. I do a body which is approximately 1 inch long, probably 1 inch long. I'm looking at how much air is left in the balloon and I want to do 2 wings. So I bring the balloons to each other and twist, and whatever air is left here is going to be the second wing, and I'm going to take the edge of the balloon here where it meets and just twist it around that intersection. Feed it through, and that now locks the butterfly in place. I manoeuvre it so the 2 wings are now either side of the body. I'm then going to take the end of the balloon, I'm going to take 2 parts of what's left and tie them together with a double knot so it locks in place. So we'll tie that like that, tie that like that, and secure. And now, if I take a pen, I draw the face of the butterfly. So, a heart, mouth, heart, a heart. So we've got a little mouth. You can put your hand through here, and you see he just sits there. Doesn't fly around, he's nice and stable, and it's like butterfly that sits on the wrist. You could probably use that same kind of template for other kind of models, Teletubbies or something like that. But it's a very nice bracelet which they can wear, and it's quite comfortable. Unlike some of the others, there's a lot of it's not as painful to wear as some of the others. This one's quite a nice one, and it sticks up, which is nice. So let's go through that with an over the shoulder view. Okay, I'll look up approximately 5 inches, maybe a bit more. Start off with an antenna, so a bubble, approximately 3/4 inch, 2 small bubbles, put them together, twist the whole lot so that it makes 2 antennas on top of the head. Take the mouth and feed the mouth through so that it's locked. I'm going to do a small bubble for the head. I'm going to do a body about 1 inch long. The first wing just comes together, lock and load. I'm going to make that wing a little bit bigger just so that it eats up more of the balloon. Bring this balloon to here, and I'm going to twist that just to give me a bit more definition as I push that and stretch it through that balloon like so. Once I'm there, I'm going to take the end of the balloons here and tie a knot. I'm going to knot that around and feed that through. And just tighten that up. So I'll tighten. There we go. Now I'll get my pen. 1 heart, 1 mouth. 3 hearts, and then that will go on the wrist, and you've got a butterfly bracelet.